Hello, and welcome back to Ajay Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodity markets. Today, we'll dive into the current trends in guar seed and gum prices, which have remained steady, impacted by the recent weather forecasts. As of September 19th, guar seed and gum markets held stable in both the physical and futures markets. Traders are adopting a cautious, wait-and-watch approach, driven by rainfall forecasts in Rajasthan, a key region for guar production. Over the past 24 hours, light to moderate rainfall was reported across several parts of the state, influencing market sentiment and price movements. In the physical market, guar seed prices were reported higher, with auction prices ranging between 4,900 rupees to 5,200 rupees per quintal. In the major Jodhpur market, guar seed prices reached 5,425 rupees per quintal. On the other hand, guar gum prices remained stable, with the benchmark market pricing guar gum at 10,700 rupees per quintal. Total arrivals for guar seed were estimated at around 8,800 bags. Now, moving on to the futures market, for the September contract. Guar gum futures for September closed 15 rupees lower, settling at 10,584 rupees per quintal. The trading session fluctuated between 10,584 rupees and 10,798 rupees. Meanwhile, October guar gum futures showed a slight increase, gaining 21 rupees, to close at 10,710 rupees per quintal, trading within the range of 10,650 rupees to 10,739 rupees. Looking at guar seed futures. For October delivery, guar seed futures settled 14 rupees higher at 5,433 rupees per quintal, with trading in the range of 5,391 rupees to 5,444 rupees. Overall, the market remains stable, with weather patterns in Rajasthan playing a crucial role in driving market decisions. Traders are closely watching rainfall forecasts, which may influence future supply. For a deeper look at contract-specific details, guar seed September contract settled at 5,358 rupees per quintal, down 30 rupees from the previous close. Trading for the day moved between 5,304 rupees and 5,388 rupees. Open interest decreased by 2,900 metric ton to 405 metric ton. October guar seed contract settled at 5,433 rupees per quintal, gaining 14 rupees. Open interest increased by 635 metric ton, with trading volume hitting 12,215 metric ton. In terms of spread between September and October guar seed contracts, we saw a difference of 75 rupees per quintal. For guar gum, the September contract settled at 10,584 rupees, with a drop of 15 rupees from the previous close, while October guar gum contracts rose by 22 rupees, closing at 10,710 rupees. The spread between September and October contracts stood at 126 rupees per quintal. Lastly, regarding stock levels as of September 19, 2024, guar seed stocks in NCDEX accredited warehouses were recorded at 14,613 metric ton. Guar gum stocks stood at 20,507 metric ton. This concludes our latest update on guar seed and gum prices. The market remains sensitive to weather forecasts, and we will continue to monitor any significant changes in the days ahead. Thank you for watching Ajay Guru. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates and advanced analysis.